हे गाइस, कैसे आप सभी लोग? होप अच्छे ही होगी। सो जैसे आपने थंबनेल में देख ही लिया होगा, हम बनाने वाले हैं टीरेक्स गेम। बहुत टाइम बाद वीडियो आ रही है बिकॉज मेरा क्या मन नहीं हो रहा है बनाने का, क्योंकि भाई व्यूज़ ही नहीं आते हैं, इसलिए अच्छा नहीं लगता बनाना। पर मैं बना रहा हूँ। तो मैं टीरेक्स गेम पूरा जावास्क्रिप्ट में बनाएंगे। सो इस गेम को बनाने के लिए आपको जितने भी एसेट्स दिख रहे हैं ना, जैसे ट्रैक पॉइंट की साउंड, ये सारे इमेजेस, टीरेक्स वगैरह की इमेजेस, ये सब आपको है ना डिस्क्रिप्शन में एक लिंक मिलेगी, उसमें मैं आपको सारे वो सब दे दूँगा। इवन तो मैं आपको लाइब्रेरीज भी दे दूँगा, ठीक है, जो कि index.html में लोड भी कर चुकी होंगी। ठीक है, आपको बस क्या करना है, आपको sketch.js में कोडिंग करना सीखना है। ठीक है, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहले हमारा नॉर्मल कैनवस वगैरह बना लेते हैं। सो इसमें देखो, मैं आपको ज़्यादा कर रहा हूँ। चलो पहले मैं एक ही कंप्लीट करता हूँ, कैनवस वगैरह बनाने का काम करता हूँ, लेकिन नॉर्मल चीज़ें सेटअप कर लेता हूँ। फंक्शन सेटअप, फंक्शन ड्रॉ, ड्रॉ का डी स्मॉल, सॉरी गलती से एक्चुअली वैसे मेरा सिस्टम बहुत ही ज़्यादा लैग सा होता है, सही नहीं है। ठीक है, फंक्शन ड्रॉ इज रेडी। ठीक है, अभी आपने यूजुअली आप जानते हो कि जैसे यही दो मेन फंक्शन होते हैं। सो जिन लोगों को जावास्क्रिप्ट ज़्यादा अच्छे से नहीं आती है, उन लोगों को बता दो कि एक फंक्शन और होता है जो कि बहुत यूज़फुल होता है, दैट इज़ फंक्शन रिलोड। यस गाइस, अब आप सोच रहे हो कि फंक्शन रिलोड क्या होता है। तो फंक्शन रिलोड एक ऐसा जावास्क्रिप्ट का फंक्शन है, लाइक आप इसको कुछ और नाम भी दे सकते हो, आई डोंट नो दे सकते हो कि नहीं, बट फंक्शन रिलोड ही कहते हैं। इस फंक्शन के अंदर आप आपकी सारी एसेट्स को लोड करते हो। मैं आपको बता दूंगा इसको कैसे यूज़ करना है। सो पहले हमारा बैकग्राउंड वगैरह बना लेते हैं। क्रिएट कैनवस, हाइट हमारा, जैसे कि आप जानते हो कि जो टीरेक्स गेम होता है उसकी जो बैकग्राउंड होता है ना, उसमें विड्थ ज़्यादा होती है और हाइट उससे कम होती है, एक रेक्टेंगल होता है। ठीक है, सो हम उसे लाइक हाइट ले लेते हैं 300, सॉरी विड्थ आएगी ना पहले, 600 एंड हाइट ले लेते हैं लाइक 250। ओके, फंक्शन ड्रॉ। अभी आपको ड्रॉ के अंदर दो मेन काम करना है। अभी क्या, अगर हम अभी से अगर सर्वर पे चालू करके देख ले, या मैं आपको बताना भूल गया, अगर आपको इसका आउटपुट जल्दी से तुरंत ही देखना हो ना, तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, विजुअल स्टूडियो कोड आपको एक फीचर देता है। आपको यहाँ एक्सटेंशंस में जाना है। ओके, देन यहाँ पे आपको सर्च करना है लाइव सर्वर। ये यहाँ पे आपको ऊपर ही आ जाएगा लाइव सर्वर लिखने के बाद। लॉन्च ये ऋत्विक ड्यू का सर्वर है, आपको उसको डाउनलोड कर लेना। इससे आपको क्या होगा, इस जब आप ये सर्वर बना दोगे ना, तो आपको यहाँ पर एक बटन आ जाएगा। जब आप वो बटन दबाओगे तो आपका क्रोम पे एक पोर्ट ऐसा लाइक ऑफलाइन सर्वर ऑन हो जाएगा, इसको आपका आउटपुट देख सकते हो। ठीक है, ये आपको मैं बता दूँ, अगर मैंने अपनी पहले वाली इसके पिछले वाली वीडियो में बताया था। सो अभी इसमें क्या हो रहा है, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है। क्यों? बिकॉज द रीज़न इज हमारा विंडो का वो कलर भी वाइट है, और भी हमने कुछ कलर नहीं दिया। कलर नहीं दिया होता तो वाइट ही आता है, तो हमें इसको कलर देना होगा। कलर या बैकग्राउंड कलर कैसे देते हैं, बैकग्राउंड ब्रैकेट में आपका कलर का नाम टाइप करना है, इसके अंदर सो हम दे देते हैं, जैसे आप जानते हो टीरेक्स गेम का कलर ग्रे होता है, हम सेम टू सेम टीरेक्स गेम छापने की कोशिश करेंगे, जो असली जैसे गूगल जो प्रोवाइड करता है। ओके, समथिंग इज एरर हो गया था, हो नहीं सकता। ओके, GROUN, दैट्स बैकग्राउंड ग्रे। यस, लेट्स लोड द पेज वंस अगेन। ओके, एज यू कैन सी हमारा ये बैकग्राउंड बन चुका है। मेरे को नहीं लगता हमें इसमें कुछ और चेंज करने की ज़रूरत है। इट इज़ फाइन। ओके, इट इज़ फाइन। अभी हमें एक और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शन यहाँ पे यूज़ करना होगा, जो कि हमारे P5 का ही है, ड्रॉ स्प्राइट्स। इसके बगैर आप स्प्राइट्स को शो या ड्रॉ नहीं कर सकते। ओके, सो ये हो जाने के बाद अभी हमें हमारा जो यहाँ पे ग्राउंड है ना, वो लोड कर देता है। ठीक है, तो हमारा ग्राउंड का लाइक, गाइज आई विल टेल यू, वीडियो बहुत लंबी खिंचा जाएगी, इसलिए मैं पूरी वीडियो एक बार में नहीं बनाता, या तो फिर आई विल ट्राई टू मेक इट फुल। ओके, सो हमारा ये जो क्या है ग्राउंड, देखो मैं आपको बता रहा था ना ग्राउंड लाइक वो सब कैसे यूज़फुल है। कि फंक्शन प्रीलोड उसका यूज़ होता है। फर्स्ट वी विल मेक वेरिएबल ground comma ground underscore image. ओके फाइन, ये हमारा वो है अभी ground underscore image is equals to load image. Okay, which image needs to be loaded equals to load image. देन आपको यहाँ पे इसका सिंपली नाम टाइप कर देना है, मे बी ग्राउंड, देर वर टू ग्राउंड्स मे बी ground check point. Okay, there is a ground 2.png, so फिर clear brackets इसके अंदर ground 2.png टाइप कर देना है एंड देन वो आके चेक कर लेना है देयर इज एनी एरर. मोस्टली नहीं होगा क्योंकि ऐसे ही होता है, एक ही आर्ग्यूमेंट लेता है. या फाइन, ठीक है. अभी आपकी इमेज लोड हो चुकी है. अभी आपको स्प्राइट बनानी है, तो स्प्राइट हमेशा आप कैनवस के नीचे ही बनाएंगे. अभी जो ग्राउंड की स्प्राइट है, ग्राउंड इक्वल्स क्रिएट 2 सेकंड. हेलो, घर पर हूँ मौसी? नहीं नहीं, किस चीज़ में क्या करना है? अभी मैं थोड़ी देर से आ जाऊँगा, ले आऊँगा, है ना? हाँ, यस गाइस. सो सॉरी, यहाँ पे एक थोड़ा सा कट सा दिखेगा आपको क्योंकि थोड़ा सा काम चला गया. सो हमें क्या कर रहे थे, ग्राउंड इज इक्वल्स टू क्रिएट स्प्राइट. ओके, हम ग्राउंड की स्प्राइट बना रहे थे, SPRITE. ओके, हमें ग्राउंड इज इक्वल्स टू क्रिएट स्प्राइट. यहाँ पे मुझे हमें स्प्राइट बनानी है, तो स्प्राइट कहाँ होनी चाहिए? ऑलमोस्ट हमारा इस यल लाइन से थोड़ा सा ऊपर. तो लेट अस ट्राई. विड्थ तो उसकी 600 हमारी विड्थ है, तो ये इसका 300 होना चाहिए. वी नीड इट ऑन द परफेक्ट सेंटर. ना 250 है ना ये, तो वी विल ट्राई लाइक 220. लेट्स ट्राई. एंड देन इसकी हाइट अभी हम ऐसे रखेंगे, लाइक पहले तो इसकी विड्थ होगी, तो विड्थ हम इसके रखेंगे 600 और हाइट इसकी रखेंगे 20. लेट्स सी. ओके, ground is equals to create sprite 300 comma 220 comma 600 300 comma 220 like a little bit up from down 600. Yeah, so why it is not working? This is like correct background here. I have also made it the sprite in perfect position. I have to do it like so, whether the canvas is created first. Yes, because I have realized this thing that it happens so many times. Maybe this. Gray needed to be exchanged to white. Yes, got the issue. The issue was it was also of the ground was also created of gray color itself. So what we will have to do now to avoid this thing is like, okay, we will be giving it an image, so we will have no issues. So we will have to just give it image ground dot add image. So we can just give him like g1. You can pass anything in first argument as it takes to the color this array. Sorry, I don't know the I forgot the name. Okay, right. Then another thing that you need to do is in the next line you have to name the variable, okay, in which you have created loaded the image. Okay, just copy it and paste it over there. Okay, fine. See, ground is now visible. Okay, fine. Okay, now our ground is as visible and it is looking actually so cool. Okay, what we will do next? Okay, now we have ground, but when the, let me tell you one truth, any game you will see, so like so in 80 like which are infinite runner games in, so what does happens in this type of game? In games में क्या होता है, like so sorry for Hindi, what happens in this type of games, इन टाइम्स ऑफ गेम में क्या होता है कि है ना, आपको ऐसा लगता है कि बैक प्लेयर आपका दौड़ रहा है, बट इट इज़ नॉट ए ट्रूथ. द ट्रूथ इज़ दैट कि आपका प्लेयर वहीं रहता है, बस बैकग्राउंड आके पीछे होता रहता है, पीछे जाता है आगे से वापस आ जाता है, ये होता है. ठीक है, तो हमें भी अभी सेम यही एक एनिमेशन सा डालना है. सो वो कैसे होता है मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. ये आपको कभी ऐड करना है, आपको क्या करना होगा, यू जस्ट ओके गिव over there you can give here ground dot velocity, ground dot velocity is equals to, okay now velocity we will give it x is equals to let's try out 3. Okay. Oh okay, sorry, we need to give it minus in minus. Now currently there will be one error issue, like so currently as you can see it is like going perfectly, but there will be a certain time when the background will get over. Okay, let me see. Yeah, as you can see it is now not more visible. So what we will have to do to make prevent this, we have to make a if condition. Okay, if ground dot x is equals to minus let us try 60 as our image is so big. If ground dot x is equals to minus 60, so ground dot x is equals to 300. Okay, yeah, we will have just made it a simple code, like if the ground dot x will be at the minus 60 of the canvas, so it will come back to its original position. Okay, there's an error there, it is not moving. Okay, triple equals to we should have to always use, that is the reason. Maybe yeah, as you can see now I am pretty much sure there will be no time. Okay, it will take so much time to see if it is working or not, so currently I will just make it like minus 10. Okay, so to just see, as you can see it is moving so fastly, but still it is not ending. At one certain point you will observe that the background is repeating again. See, it's not ending. Yeah, yes. So we will just not give it that much of speed, it is repeating, and that's all what we have to do. So now our background has been done. Now the next thing that is the most important thing is our T-Rex. So our T-Rex has one thing that we will have to do before making T-Rex is we need to make a line correctly on this line. Okay, because so that we can make our T-Rex jump on that place. Okay, but first we will make T-Rex variable T-Rex comma T-Rex underscore image. Okay, oh, not sorry guys, not dot, you have to take comma. Okay, now guys you will be thinking that why do we have like where is the T-Rex image, 1 3 and 4, 3 images of T-Rex, where is the second one? Okay, let me just check what's wrong with the T-Rex one, and that why is there not the second image, there will be a problem. Okay, this one is fine, this also needs to be like so. Yeah, okay, 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 T-Rex one okay fine. Okay, 1 and 3 and 4 all needs are a running cycle. If you will, we will make it like so that each time he will just change his lag. As you can see every image has a different lag, so that we can make it like he is running. So what we will have to do now, the next thing that we have to do is we need to upload like Trex image, we need to just copy it and paste it. Then now we have to take is equals to load image. Okay, we can load all the images in just one Trex1 dot png. Okay, comma, we will just copy this line to make it even faster. Trex, and then we will just type 3 over there. Trex3 dot png, comma, again clear brackets and then paste, and then Trex4 dot png. Okay, now what we have to do next is we need to make it Trex. So Trex is equals to create a sprite. Where it needs to be just a little bit above the ground. So our ground data is on the y position of 220. Okay, we need to make it like on 210. Hey, why am I writing it on there? It needs to be there like 215. No, first we need to make x position, so its x position will be fixed, so we will just make it on the 50 of the screen, comma, 215, comma, we can just give him like 1 comma 1 because it does not really matter, because it is going to have a image. Now what we have to do next is Trex dot add animation. Then just to make sure that you are using animation. Trex dot add animation. Fine. Okay. T animation, like so. You can type anything, and then after that Trex underscore image. Yes, this function sometimes does not work, so we will have to change it a little bit. Okay, it is so much big, so we need to give him a scale. Trex dot scale is equals to 0 point. Always take less. Each time when you will be using scale, always use less than 1. Okay, because if you need to decrease the scale, always use less than 1. If you need to increase it, use more than 1. Okay, we will use it like 0.4 will be the finest one, which I think so. Okay, so as I was saying, sometimes it does not really works, this animation method. So what we have to do, Trex image 1, comma, Trex underscore image 2, comma, Trex underscore image 3. Okay, you have to like it like so. Trex underscore image 1. Now what you have to do is you have to cut this from this area. Okay, now let's copy this line. Now in this Trex image is going to be Trex1 image, Trex2 underscore. Okay, it is not Trex2 image, it is Trex image 1. As you can see, 1, it has 2, and this one needs to be 3. Trex image 1, Trex image 2. Okay, then Trex image 3, and this one needs to be 4. Okay, now what you have to do next is you need to just copy and make it even to 1 as well. Okay, now copy this line, comma paste. Okay, fine. Now Trex image 1, Trex image 2, and then Trex image 3. Now this will probably work. Yeah, as you can see, now he is moving. Fine. As we have decided that we want to make it move, so now it is moving. Fine. Okay, but currently what I can feel is he is like just a little bit downside of the ground, so then you just make it a little bit up. Okay, so it is on 215. We will just make it 200. Let's try 10. I think the 10 will be so much more. Yeah, fine, best. Okay, now as we have, do I need to just increase the height of the scale? No, it's fine. Now the next thing that we have to do is we need to make the Trex jump, because the Trex needs to be jumping. Fine. Now what we need to do is, if key is down, if key is down is equals to 32. And now you're thinking that what does this mean, key is down is equal to 32? Let me tell you, if key is down 32 means if your key is pressed 32, the number 32 key is space. Okay, if key is down 32, so what is gonna happen? Trex dot y is equals to Trex dot y, Trex dot y minus 5. Fine, like just a little bit up. Now you have to press it one time. Okay, why that doesn't work? Why it doesn't work yet? What? It is fine, yeah, sure, for sure. Let me just see. We can also try one more thing. If key code is equals to 32, okay, you can just try this thing as well, as I know pretty much. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Wait. Fine, got it. That's the problem for now. But what we will just sort it out. To sort it out, what we will have to do is, we need to make a sprite variable. You can just give it anything like L. Now you have to just make it like L is equals to create sprite. It needs to be created just below the Trex 210. So we'll just make it 218. No, first we need to give x. So x will be 300 comma 218 comma 600 comma 20. Now the reason why we needed this, I will tell you, because we need to make the Trex not just go up like so forever. We need to make it come down again. Okay, we will just make it come down again. And if I will make it come down again, so how am I gonna make it? I am gonna give him a permanent velocity of -6, so that he can minus 5 or -6, so that he can come down at any time possible. Okay, yes. And if he will go every time, so we will not, he will go below the map. So this L will help him to not to go down. Okay, just stay at a particular place. Okay, we will now what we will do is, we will add a condition over there. What the condition is, okay, we need to first do one more thing. I'll make him 600 comma 20, but 20 needs to be changed with 1. And now we need to make a condition Trex dot collide and L, Trex dot collide L. Okay, we need to just make it sure. And for overlap can only be checked between sprites or groups. So yeah, Trex is fine. Trex dot collide L, yeah, we have used it fine. Does it mean anything else? Variable L is equals to create a sprite, and as well as Trex is also a sprite. It needs to work. Yeah. Okay, the page wasn't related. Okay. Okay, now as you can see, it is little bit up now. What we will have to do, we will have to decrease the size, like the position. Oh, 215 will increase it. No. We have to make it like 221. It will be like the best. Yeah, fine. Now what we need to do next, we need to give him a permanent velocity of positive, like 3, and let's see. Trex dot velo. Oh no. Okay, I just got it. Trex. Oh yeah. Trex dot velocity y is equals to like 5. Let's try out 5 first. So due to this, he wasn't able to move. Okay, so we have to like decrease it to like 1. But he is still going. We need to stop him. I think so. If we have to make it like so, key down, if key down space, let's try out this thing. Yeah, I knew this, but this space is not defined. Yeah, and let's try this. I am seriously so sorry, guys, that you will feel like cut over here, but I am like, guys, I honestly say I didn't saw anything. There was a milkman at my house, so I have to go. Okay, key down space. So why the space is not working? Capital space was not working. Let's try smaller ones. Maybe this time it works. Yeah, it works. No, it is also giving error. Okay, space. Okay, let's just okay, I have an idea. Space key code. Okay, how to use space key in JavaScript. I am searching in front of you all, guys. Okay, we are just saying like 32. Okay, we can do 32, but let me tell you the issue behind why am I not taking 32. I can also take a 32 if key code is equals to 32, but the issue with it is if you take key code 32, so it the executes the value for his all time long. Okay, like in each frame rate. Okay, and this thing you don't want, and that is not working right now. If key code so why it is not jumping here? Okay, I got it. If key code is equals to 32. No, we need to I think I will have to first uncaught syntax error. Let me tell you because of the recording my system is lagging so much. Hey, why the 32 key is not working? Y equals T-Rex.y. Yeah, it is all fine. If key code is equals to 32. So why it is not recognizing my space key moment? I am unable to find out this thing. Trex.y is equals to Trex.y minus 5. Yeah. Okay, I have an idea. Let's just control Z it a little bit. Like so when it was like little keep. Okay. Now we have just made it as Yeah, still it is not working. Freak. Okay, we'll just. Okay. I have controls at it at such a moment when it was working, but now it is not working. Maybe due to the lag of my PC, as my PC is so much lagging, it can be the I will upload. Is my space not working? Oh yeah, got it. Fine. The reason was that I haven't clicked on it. Okay, fine. So keycode 32 will is not going. Keycode 32. I can key is down. I know the keycode that I know what we use. If key is down, let's try making it with up arrow. Okay, I know what we have to do. Up underscore arrow. Okay, if you will make this now, what? Okay, arrow. Okay, A double R O W. Fine, caps lock. Yeah. See how much time I'm just pressing it is only getting up only that much forward time. So that's all what I need. Okay, now key we need to just give him the value like 10, and over here we need to Trex dot velocity y equals like if we are giving it 10, so we at least give it 3. So let's see if it works. Let's see if it works. See, see, but there is an error. I can do it like spam clicking. Okay, so first we need to give him the value of like 1, so he can at least go a little bit up. Okay, so let's try out 20 this time. Okay, key down. Okay, there is 10 20 so much. Maybe I will have to. Okay, instead of key is down, we can use if key went down. We can use if key went down. Oh, sorry, I just used press down. Okay. Yes, it is now working, but it is not able to get up. So 0 point like 7. So as you can see currently, this is as well as not working. You can just try giving him velocity Trex dot velocity y is equals to like 0 point not 0 point, we will make it a 3 and give it like a 5. Okay, let's try it out this thing as well. Okay, not working. Okay, we need to give him a -5. Sorry, then how will it go up? IQ. Okay, -5 is not working. We need to at least give him like -16 to make him a little work. Why it is not getting so much up? Is it due to the lag? Will I have to give it like the value like 100? Yeah, it has been working at 100 only. Okay, let us try to figure it out. 100 is not the value that needs to be given, like so. That can be given. It is not getting up. Why is it not jumping? T-rex of velocity y equals to minus, if I will take like 50, so the so guys, I have an idea. Let us try one more thing. So we can, instead of just giving key variant down, we will just give it key down. I just realized one thing, and over here what we can do, we can type space in these columns and minus velocity y, instead of like 50, we can just give it minus 12. And there is the main thing. T-rex dot velocity y is equals to T-rex dot velocity y plus 0.8. Okay, this can, I think so, like I'm not pretty much sure, but we can like do something, because let I have the strat that I have is it will constantly make the velocity T-rex go down. Okay, yeah, that's all what I need. Okay, so now what next thing that we will have to do is, it is jumping so much far away, we can just make him like 5, as 5 will be the most fine. Yeah, no, 5 will not be fine. Okay, now the next thing that we will need to do is, I will adjust it, like I will tell you currently the issue right now, that is because that we can all make him fly as much as we want, so we don't want this to happen. So what we can do, we can, as we know that currently our T-rex is standing on that line, so we can just make it take if condition, we just add it over here, add and T-rex dot is touching, and then T-rex dot is touching what, L, and then T-rex dot is touching L. Okay, yes, yes. Okay, currently, okay, I have realized our T-rex is not touching L. Okay, and then T-rex dot is touching L. So what we will have to do is, we will have to move our L a little bit upwards. Okay, where is our L? 221, 218 was fine. Now most probably they both will be touching. No, they are not touching. Okay, so what we can do is, currently our T-rex, it has, okay, I will have to change this again. Okay, so currently my T-rex, it has is on at position now 210. Okay, so I will just, instead of this freaking code which was useless, what I did, T-rex dot y is equals to, is less than, okay, is equals to or less than what, not less than, is equals to or greater than 210. Okay, yeah, I just realized is equals to is used later. Okay, so let's see if it works. What, it is not, T-rex dot y is greater than 200. Yeah, yes. So now as you can see, I am only able to make very smally jumps. So I will have to make at least at 190. Now it will be the most fine thing possible. Okay, yeah. Still, it is not a good jump. It is the maximum jump possible for right now. So we will have to give it the velocity of at least -8. Okay. Yes. Our one of the obstacle will be so much big. So we have to make it like -12. So like, or oh, no, minus so much. 9. So yes guys, today we have made it almost a full game, just like some more thing needs to be happen. So guys, please subscribe if you like the video. We will continue on the later next video. Till that, take care everybody, and thanks for watching.